What's up, everybody? Sort day is coming to a close. It's been a great month here in December. We're excited that, we're getting these packs out to you. We're excited to see what's in them. But we're also excited to share a little bit and have a little Merry Christmas for you. Anybody that's been subscribed to our program for at least 3 months, they're going to be in a free break tonight. So I've got all your names on this list. We checked it a couple times, so we got everybody here. There was 80 names. We're going to do 3 different boxes. So there's actually going to be some people that get some bonus teams here. But what we're going to do is we're going to randomize the teams first, and then we'll see who gets the others down here. So we'll come up here. I'll do it 3 times. Maybe 1, 2, 3. Okay. So then I'm going to take this, copy, hop over here, paste. So, Kelly Graziano, you were going to get the Seahawks in the second box. Mark Seymour, you will get the Jaguars in the first box. Nicole Tabbert, Giants in the third box. You see how it goes. Now, down here at the bottom, there were some bonuses. All right. Can't remember how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we're going to come over here and we're going to randomize everybody's name. 1, 2, and 3. Take the top 15. Eloy getting some love
David
there.
Huth.
Nice.
Weeble.
I'll paste you guys right there. And then we're going to go back and match these with your teams a little bit. So I know it's kind of a fast track way. We're going to put this list so you can see which team you had. We're going to put it up when we put the pack sheets up. So you don't have to worry about it right now. It'll be up there. And you'll be able to check. Right now we're trying to be efficient. And if you're watching us, then I'm glad that you are able to see how the break goes. Hopefully we can pull some fire for you people. So I'm going to do the first box. So I put them in order. So this is box number 1. All right. And if something hits, here, let's see what we got here. We got Illusions, Prism, Elite. Let's see, 3 Elite, 4 Elite, Playoff, and Donners. So I'm going to start with Donners here. Don't hit on the teeth. Don't you dare hit on the teeth. All right. You watch me open stuff before, you don't mess around. Calvin Ridley, rookie. About all from there. Playoff. Are you really opening playoff if you don't say it like that? Uh-oh. We got some ink. From the fella that's killing it for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Jalen Samuels, rookie autograph right there. Let's see who's got the Steelers here in the first one. There's 3. So much for efficiency here. Ooh, were they a bonus team? Or am I crazy? Steelers number 1, David Ambrose with the bonus team. So that Steelers hit right there is yours, David. Right there, nicely done. There's also a Sam Darnold. Nice looking rookie card there. Josh Sweat. There's 1 hit. Box number 1. Did we have 2? Did we get 2 autos? Nope, they got you. This one's backwards. Just backwards for... number down 99. Yep. First down. Shaquem Griffin. That's cool. Next, we'll go for Elite here. 4 packs of Elite. Great chance for a hit.
Is that a filler?
Ooh, the filler.
Ooh, we need those though.
Uh-oh. I forgot they always put one backwards. Number to 99, Sam Hubbard. Gotta use the teeth, don't hate. All right, pack number 2 of Elite. Straight to it. Number 299. Case Keenum.
Bum.
That was strong.
I know you like him.
I want to see him be successful. Put it that way. Not happening right now. Uh-oh. Die cut of
Nice.
Deshaun Watson. Aren't those
24?
all numbered to 24? Yep. Number out of 24, Deshaun Watson.
Not a bum.
He's good. Very nice. Hit? Question mark? Hit? Nope. Number to 99. 38 and 99, Hayden Hurst. Top over here to Illusions. We got Austin Hooper and Tony Gonzalez. I love these cards, the acetate cards. We've got, let's see, Antonio Callaway and Julio Jones. We got a little something here.
Nice.
RPA for Kalen Ballage.
Went over 100 last week.
There you go.
Or Sunday.
There you go. Number 60 of 449, it looks like. Definitely get that sleeved up. I'm not going to embarrass myself by trying to find the Dolphins on there. But that'll be on the pack sheet. Hopefully you get to see it before. Very nice, very nice. So 2 hits. Make it 3. Make it 3.
This has been a good box.
Yeah, seriously.
Box, man. Some short print. 2 autos. And Prism. Die cut.
Skip straight to it. We got Bradley Chubb, Instant Impact, and Tom Brady die cut.
Okay.
All right.
That's okay.
All right. Numbered out of 249, 130 out of 249. Tom Brady die cut. He's good. Josh Adams. All right, so that'll do it for box number 1. Andy, I'm going to let you do box number 2.
You might have to get the charger.
Okay. How close are we?
I don't know. I can't tell in the video.
Keep the cards separate here. Man, that box is pretty good. Pretty happy with that box. Let me go grab it.
Here, I'll just. While you grab it. Okay. So box 1 is Illusions, Phoenix.
Box 2.
Box 2, that's right. Box 2. And then a bunch of Elite, Playoff, and Donruss. So I'll go in that order. And we're going to switch hands here, and hopefully the charger's long enough. Where do I need to be?
Right there.
Right there? All right.
We're working on it. It's been a day, folks. We wanted to be able to share this. Filler?
With some red and blue behind.
Talk to me.
Jermaine Edmonds. Just backwards. Just the red press proof. Vander Esch.
What is a Vander Esch?
Really good linebacker. That's who it is.
You can keep that stuff away from the other box.
Oh yeah. Forgot it's separate.
Yeah.
Dante Pettis. Second down, 7 of 49 for the 49ers. Another Dante Pettis. I feel like it's so awkwardly.
I know. I'm going to do it for this box and then I'll switch it for last.
I just didn't know I didn't know I was low. Hard hats. Junk base. I thought you were gonna plug it in the computer.
Oh, that's smart.
my thought.
I should do that.
Take it from over there.
I'm just going to move gradually so that
Okay.
freak them out. Sorry, guys. We had a
Phone call.
phone call.
Goff to 99, pretty sweet. Purple parallel. I don't use my teeth.
Don't hate on the teeth, bro.
J.J. Watt. Epic Materials, 1 of 99.
Okay.
eBay, woo.
First hit, first print.
That's kind of cool. I've not seen one of those. Epic, it says. It's epic. Tidal waves. Die cut Roquan Smith. 20 of 24.
A little rookie 24.
That's pretty sweet. Roquan for the Bears. Stud. This is a thick pack of Phoenix, so I'm going to save it to last. That means it's a hit.
There's no fillers.
No fillers in Phoenix, which is pack searcher's delight. And this is super thick as well for Illusions. Kyle Laletta, Fountain, Samuels, Baker. Woke up feeling dangerous. It's a triple. Marcus Allen, Jamal Charles, and Kareem Hunt. 31 of 50. Triple for the Chiefs. Oh, Kareem.
Gosh, man.
What a waste. Sliced open like butter.
Another hit?
Yeah. Gesicki for
RPA, some ink.
The Dolphins.
3 hits.
The Dolphins in both
3 hits.
breaks.
Let's see what? 2 hits in the first box.
The Deontay Burnett's to 199.
2 hits in the first box and 3 hits in the second box.
Yes, sir.
Our gold boxes don't mess around. Almost 22%. Actually, if you include gold feature, closer to 25% of our packs this month are gonna have hits in them. So it was a fun month. It's gonna be a fun month to see what everybody pulls. Hopefully it makes that Christmas morning a little bit special. Now in this third box, you guys got real lucky because you were actually supposed to have 2 packs of classics, but because of the mix-up and it not getting here on time, we wanted to make sure we could still do this break tonight. So we substituted 2 packs of Illusions in for 2 packs of classics. So your chances of a hit got extremely heightened when we did that. Pulling hits out of Donners?
No.
Nah.
Just red pressed
Red.
rose. Nothing special, except these fillers are gold for shipping.
So we are on box number 3.
Yes.
If you go to our website, you will see which box you had. It'll be down there with the pack sheets. It'll just say, it'll say break, Merry Christmas break. And it'll have the teams for both sports, for basketball and football. Filler City over here.
Walter Payton Man of the Year, Lynn Dawson, 26 of 100. Pretty cool.
What is a Blake Bortles?
Blake Bortles. All right, give me a pin pal. All this
Let's
Elite.
go. That's what I'm saying, man.
No ink out of Elite. Or not.
Hey, if you guys want to be putting supplies and stuff in those boxes, you can. The classics boxes.
I'll do that.
God, if you need to go, you can go. That's fine. I'll be done in like 2 minutes here if you want to leave. That's fine. If you don't.
Ooh.
Uh-oh. I know what team that is.
Sammy D. Josh Allen.
What?
Dual pin pal.
Got a free break? Are you serious?
Dual
Okay, QB
pin
Inc.
pal.
Are you serious?
Oh my gosh.
Man,
so what are we going to do here?
I don't know. What are you doing normally on our breaks? Heavens,
we haven't
bro.
had any duels, but I mean,
Heavens.
oh my gosh.
Goodness.
We'll have to talk about it, I guess.
Yeah, good night.
Should we just run a quick random with
Yeah,
the Jets
that's what we'll
and
have
Bills?
to do. We'll have to do random Jets and Bills. Just 2-team random. Wow.
Man.
Top 1 after 3 buzzers.
That's awesome.
Dad, I'll see you. Thank you so much for your help.
All right, no problem.
That is awesome.
Jeez.
Case hit.
Hello.
And then your boy Case Keenum. Oh crap, I keep putting this in the wrong one.
Yikes.
Out of 149. I'm not putting anything on top
In a
of that.
free box, and a free break.
Case hit out of a free
So somebody, if they didn't know about this break, they're going to get that and just be like, oh, thanks, Brothers and Cars.
Sweet.
You earned it. You stuck with us.
$2.99. Another junk. I wish this was Who Broke It Better. I would win.
Yeah.
Dak. Illusionist, Kamara. Those are cool. I like those. And last pack, man. Case
No
hit.
hits out of Illusion so far, right?
No. Here's one. Living Legends numbered. Ito Smith and Devontae Freeman.
Oh, nasty now.
Nasty patch. Chunky out of 25. 10 of 25 for the Falcons.
Sheesh.
That is nice.
So I read the Falcons 3, and it'll say Falcons 3. That's yours. All right, we're gonna go ahead and hop on here. And here, you want to take over for me? You want to record this?
Sure.
All right.
So what we'll do, we didn't really talk about it, is we'll do Jets and Bills. And we'll go 3 times, and whoever ends up on top will get the case hit Sam Darnold, Josh Allen, Pin Pals. For free. You need to do it twice. Well, I guess you can do it that way.
Here we go.
No, hold on. Do it 4 times. Because if you do that, it just goes back and forth. And then the 3rd time, it would be whoever, yeah. You get what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
It starts with Jets, Bills, then it would go Bills, and then it would be automatically Jets. So.
We're good? All right, everything we do is 3 times. There's a 1. There's a 2, and here it is. Top one will get it here. Slow roll it. Dun, 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 dun. Drum roll. That's too slow, bro. Come on now.
Jets, Bills, Bills.
Bills, the winner. The winner. I gotta know.
Bills 3.
I gotta know.
The hit of the break.
All right, while he was doing his thing earlier, I filtered this for us here. Bills 3, Michael Lucas. Sir, thank you for your support.
He's been taking the Bills in our breaks, too. So
You may have them. There you go. Has
Wow.
he? Man,
Yeah.
good for him. Good for
Wow.
him. That's incredible. There you go, brother. That's a big old hit for free, my man. Thank you so much for your support all year long. We appreciate it. Guys, thank you for enjoying the hobby with us. God bless.